Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify drag and drop effects in Final Cut Pro for speed. Beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Final Cut Pro and load your project. Select the clip you want to apply the drag and drop effect to. Navigate to the effects browser located in the bottom right corner of the interface. Browse through the various categories of effects available. Choose an effect that you want to use for your clip. Click and hold the selected effect to initiate the drag process. Drag the effect over to your desired clip in the timeline. Release the mouse button to apply the effect. Observe the clip in the viewer to see the effect applied. To verify speed changes, select the clip again. Go to the inspector by clicking on the icon in the upper right corner. In the inspector, look at the parameters of the applied effect. Adjust any settings for the effect to enhance your video. If speed changes are involved, navigate to the speed options in the inspector. Experiment with speed adjustments to see how they interact with the effect. Play back the clip in the timeline to verify the changes. Make additional adjustments as necessary to achieve your desired outcome. Once satisfied, save your project to preserve all the changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.